Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I am going to demonstrate how to recover deleted files using Kali Linux. For the demonstration purpose, I am going to use my USB drive. The process of recovering files is similar for any other hard drive or memory card. So let's get started. I'll first open my USB drive. As you can see, there are a bunch of files: exe, pdf and png. So now I am going to delete all these files from the pen drive. Right click and move to trash. Now I'm going to close the window and open a trash from my system. So from here I'm going to delete all the files. As you can see on the message, it says the data will be lost permanently. So I'm going to click empty trash. So now the data also has been removed from my system. Now those file has been deleted from our system. We will try to recover those files using free Kali Linux tool. For that I'm going to open a terminal and I'm going to switch user from normal to root. For that I will type a command sudo and password. So now I am on a root user. So I'm going to use a tool called Foremost that will help me to recover all deleted files. So for that, to install a tool, I'll type Foremost and press enter. So note, if you are doing this for the first time, it will prompt you to install and press Y and enter. It will take a certain time to install. It's taking a while and the tool is now installed. So I'm going to clear the screen. Now I'll type foremost and -s for help command. As you can see, there are a bunch of different parameters and their uses, so you can read it. For P for display copyright information, T for type. So now I'm going to use a command to recover a file. So for that I'll type foremost and I will use a type -t, and you can see on the screen I did a bunch of experiment already, syntaxes. So this for type, if you type all, it will recover everything on your pen drive that is being deleted. But if you don't want to recover everything on your pen drive but a specific type, you can type png, exe and pdf. So those are the types on my pen drive that I deleted. So I'm going to recover only those files because it can take a lot of time to recover that files too. So after that I'm going to use a different parameter, so it's called Bargos. It will log all the messages to the screen, so -b, and I'm going to use the next parameter, that is -q. So that will help me to search the files quickly. As you can see on the screen, that says 512 bytes boundaries. So I'm going to use -i, which is the input file, and that means the path of our pen drive. So I'll type -i. Now to find the path of a pen drive, I'm going to open a new terminal. So here I'll type sudo fdisk -l and press enter. Now type the password of the Kali Linux. My mistake, so I'll retype the password. As you can see, it has listed all the disks on my system. So above those are my internal disk and below is my pen drive. So it's also says flash sticks and storage 29 GB. So to recover the process, we need the drive path. So as you can see, 29 GB. And if you are unable to find or having trouble, what you can do is remove your pen drive, and retype the command, and again insert the pen drive and again retype the command so that you can identify which is your drive path. So for me it's dev sdb2. So I'm going to copy the path of my pen drive and I'm going to paste here. Now I'm going to use a parameter that is -o so that I can output all my files or results. Now I'm going to output it to my desktop, so I'll type the path slash home slash Kali slash desktop desktop autocomplete now. And now I'm going to provide a name for my folder, and that will be recover. So my output will be in the recover folder. Now take the terminal here so that you can see the folder is being created. So now I will press enter. As you can see, the folder has been created there. The process has started. So as you can see there, time, date, so 12:51, and above the clock 12:52. So it will take a time to recover the files. So we have specified three types of files to be recovered: PNG, exe, and PDF. As you can see, we have recovered three types of files. So it can take a lengthy process to scan the whole pen drive. So in my case, I have specified only three types: PNG, exe, and PDF. So it will also take a lengthy time even for those three types of files. So now I'm going to pause this video and show the results. As you can see on the screen, the recovery process has been completed. Three files were extracted: PNG, exe, and PDF. So it took a lengthy of a time, as you can see, 12:51:48 and almost 15:07, but the scan finished at 14:53. So now let's take a look at the folder. So as you can see, the folder is locked. That means a root user can only access the folder. So to do that, we'll right click the folder and open as a root and provide our Kali Linux password, that is mine Kali, and authenticate. Now I can open the folder as a root. As you can see, the output is been created in their specified folder. Let's check exe. There is exe, and let's check PDF, same pen testing book. And now let's head over to the PNG and same screenshot. So in this way you can recover the file using free Kali Linux tool, that is Foremost. So if you are having any trouble during this process, please feel free to comment down, and also tell me in the comment if this worked for you or not. So that's for the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.